Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're diving into a big question that I know many of you have. How can you stand out as a virtual assistant in a crowded market? The VA industry is growing fast, but with so many VAs offering similar services, it can be tough to set yourself apart. But don't worry, I've got you covered and we're going to go through some actionable strategies to help you stand out. Tip number 1, choose a niche or specialty. One of the fastest ways to stand out in a crowded market is to specialize in something because generalists tend to struggle on how to differentiate themselves from others, but specialists are seen as experts. So, how do you apply this? We pick a niche like social media management, customer support, email marketing, funnel building. Pick something that is going to highlight your unique expertise and how it solves specific client problems. Because with every business, you're problem solving, and that's how you can stand out. So specializing allows you to become known for a particular service, and clients who need that service will seek you out. Tip number 2, build a personal brand. People connect with brands that feel authentic. You aren't just a VA, you're a business owner, and your brand should reflect that. So how do you apply this? You need to create a strong visual identity with a logo, brand colors, and consistent fonts. And use that for everything that you put out there. So on all your social media, on any brochures, on your website, make sure that everything's consistent. You also want to develop a unique brand voice and message that speaks directly to your target audience. So if you're a sarcastic person, mix in your sarcasm. Let people in, let them see who you really are. Clients are more likely to work with a VA whose brand they connect with on a personal level because it builds trust. And no, I'm not saying you need to go out there and become a content creator full time. That's not it at all. You just need to have a bit of a presence online that's consistently updated. So just make sure that you put things out regularly. Even if it's like twice a month or something, you're putting something out so it stays relevant and keeps people thinking about you, bringing you to the top of their mind. Showcase your work and testimonials. Your portfolio and testimonials are gold in this industry. Gold. They show potential clients what you can do and they build credibility. So how do you apply this? Well, you would build a portfolio showing your best work, even if it's mock projects or past tasks. So this is why it's important to always ask for testimonials after completing client projects and then display them prominently on your website or social profiles. Now, why this works is social proof is incredibly powerful. When potential clients see that others have had success working with you, they'll be more likely to hire you. So tip number 4, create valuable content. So creating content around your niche not only helps potential clients see you as an expert, but it also expands your reach. So how do you apply this? You could start a blog or a YouTube channel or an Instagram account where you share tips and strategies related to your niche. And you could offer free resources like checklists or mini guides to your audience, especially if you see the same sort of issues coming up with multiple different clients or potential clients. This then positions you as an authority in your field, and clients will start to come to you for advice and services. So rather than you chasing people, this then brings them to you. Tip number 5, you need to network and collaborate. It's not just about what you know, it is about who you know. Networking can open doors to client opportunities you wouldn't have otherwise. So it's really important to start building relationships. So how do you apply this? You need to join VA communities, Facebook groups, LinkedIn networks where potential clients hang out. Just find where your potential clients are and network. You also want to collaborate with other virtual assistants or business owners in complementary fields so you can expand your network. Now, why does this work? Because when you build relationships within your industry, it leads to referrals and collaborations that will help you stand out from the crowd. And my final tip, number 6, is offer stellar customer service. So, one of the easiest ways to stand out is by delivering exceptional customer service. Many VAs actually overlook this, but it's critical for client retention. So, how do you implement this? You are responsive, professional, and proactive in communication. So, you're keeping the customer updated all the time so that they know exactly where you're up to with a project. So, if you haven't made progress on a project, that's fine. You still check in with them and you say, we're still moving along with this project. Just keep them in the loop. That's exceptional customer service. You want to go that extra mile with your customers, whether it's meeting deadlines or offering extra support when needed. Go that extra mile. It will pay you back tenfold in the future. Because clients who feel valued will stick with you long term and refer you to others. A great customer experience is your secret weapon as a VA. So to stand out as a VA, focus on choosing a niche, building a personal brand, showcasing your work, creating valuable content, networking, and delivering top-notch customer service. These steps will help you to rise above all of the noise in a crowded market. So comment below with your niche if you've already chosen one, or let me know what you're still working on. Have a great day.